think I'm here. We're here in Waterfall. I'm gonna go check it out. Kind of through the brush. There's a little side trail. Oh! Alright everybody, Marty here. Most of the trails that we've been wanting to hike around here are flooded lately, so at great reluctance, we're gonna do one that William and I did last year. The Moon Lake Trail. I say great reluctance because last time we came through here, the trail was covered with spider webs all through it. So we're gonna be taking our time, navigating. Hopefully it'll be a nice little hike through the woods, and we'll see you on the trail. I hear water.
Probably the wind in the wind.
No, that ain't the wind, dude. That's water. Sounds like there's a waterfall near here. It's coming from that direction. Hey, you guys, hold up. Oh, you guys gotta see this. So last time when Will and I took this trail, it was dry. It was after we hadn't had as much rain as we've had this last month. So we never heard this. We never found this. But this is awesome. This is a nice little find already. That rock right to your left there, babe.
Oh my god, there's some. So we're gonna have to get wet.
Yeah, but it'll dry off pretty quick. Ugh.
Unless you're William.
It's water.
William.
Last time Will and I came this way, this was completely dry. Yeah.
Like not even a little bit of water?
Not even a little bit of water.
That was fun.
Huh? Not anymore.
Not like
We just figured out that we're pretty sure this stream that we just crossed is the trail. So we're gonna go a little off trail a little bit, see if we can get back on it from somewhere, and if not, we're gonna do some exploring. We finally found the other end of the trail, and this definitely does not get used much because, as you can see, it's pretty overgrown. I feel like I should have brought a machete. We're gonna keep on exploring a little bit. This should take us down to the Fort Riley Cemetery. Speaking of which, if you are interested in taking this trail and you're not a military member or somebody with the proper ID, you will have to stop at the gate to get an access pass. So it's not completely 100% open to the public. I mean, it is. You just got to do some stuff before you actually get here. But yeah, we're having fun so far. We've already crossed 2 streams, saw a waterfall, and we're enjoying it. Okay, we found the spider webs. So now I'm doing my blessing of the trail, and if you haven't seen our hike that Will and I did on this trail last year, then you don't know that there's 2 things in this world I'm afraid of. One of them is flying an airplane. The other one is spiders. I can be around them, but as soon as they touch me, I'm freaked out for the rest of the day. So And that goes for their webs too. So I'm clearing the path. This is fun. At that age. I got one. I just wasn't waving it. Well, hey, how about this? Fort Riley hiking trail. And a lot of mud. Yay, we got a hill. This will be fun. All right, so a little evidence of how little this trail gets used. It's somewhere in there. We're gonna turn around. We already went through some pretty overgrown stuff just to get to this point, and it's not getting any better. We'll head back, go back the way we came a little bit, and we'll probably call it a day after that. It's hot, a lot of bugs out here. That's okay, we're prepared for that, but when you can't find the trail. Okay, so we almost got off trail a couple times coming back, just because it's so thick. It looks completely different the way coming back. We're back on the recognizable trail now, but this brings up an important lesson. Always study your back trail. Going one way, coming back it's gonna look completely different. All right, so we just got done with the trail. We've gotten quite a few ticks on us, even with spray. So if you do consider doing this trail, remember to wear long pants and preferably long sleeves. I'm wearing short sleeves today, but and no matter what, bring some bug spray, some tick spray, preferably DEET, and spray yourself down.
I wore
Okay.
shorts.
And William's been on this trail before. He should have known better. But yeah, we had to pull a few out, and we'll probably have to pull a few more. We're gonna do a more extensive tick check right now. But it wasn't that bad a trail. It just got really overgrown in places. Doesn't seem to get used a lot. I mean, at one point we heard other people on the trail, but I don't know how far in they went or what. But yeah, just remember, if you're going to take this trail, it's on Fort Riley, Kansas, and you want to take precautions for ticks, mosquitoes, and spiders. Other than that, that's all I got for today. So we're going to let the kids play at the playground, enjoy the lake. Till next time, catch you on the next one.